What's up everyone, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to create a fantasy football league on ESPN. So we're going to open our ESPN Fantasy app. We want to get over to football. In order to do this, you're going to look at the top and you're going to have to switch over to football. At the top here we have basketball, games, and then football. We'll tap on it. Then right here you have the option to create a new league. We're going to tap on it. Now we have this form. You get to put in the league name, the league size, and the scoring type. For the league name, we will be leaving it at My 2024 League. And for the league size, you could leave it according to your choice. And then for the scoring type, again, it's your preference, but we'll be going with no PPR. We have just one button to press, create league, and we'll tap on it. The next thing you're going to see is a pop-up where you can copy the invite link in order to add others to your league. You could copy this link now or close this, and we'll show you all the things you can do. So now we have the team. We can tap on My Team right here, and then at the top we're going to switch over to League, and right here you can see the different standings and how the teams are arranged. The next thing you can do is to go over to League Manager Tools, and then right here you have basic settings, draft settings, scoring settings, managers, and invite. Remember, we had the option to copy the invite code. Well, if you didn't, we have the option here again by tapping on invite, and you'll see the pop-up again. Under other settings such as basic settings, you can change the league name, increase or decrease the number of teams, delete teams, and decide visibility of your league. Under draft settings, we have some other settings such as a draft type, where you can make your pick between snake, salary cap, auto pick, or offline. You could also set the draft order if you want to leave it at random or manually make your choice. We're going to leave it as is, and all these settings under the League Manager's tools will help you to design your league according to your preference. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.